I found this forgotten beast rotting in a junkyard, left for dead for over 13 years. At first glance, just a corpse of rust-busted glass and a seized engine that hadn't fired in over a decade. No brakes, no fluids, and a cab full of nature's decorations. But where most saw a lost cause, I saw a challenge. Today we're doing what everyone said was impossible. We're not just getting this truck running, we're bringing it back to life well enough to drive it home. No trailer, no tricks. Just raw mechanical resurrection. In this episode, we're battling time itself, freeing up a locked-up motor, resurrecting the dead fuel system, and wrestling with brakes that gave up years ago. Every bolt is a war, but we're not backing down.